of good quality olive oil, which should be nice and dark green, hopefully. And you can just plop fairly close to the surface with a teaspoon, a few little beads of olive oil. And you can just have so much fun creating this artwork with these beautiful shapes and colors. This just looks so lovely. Oh, so much fun. You gotta work quickly though, because it does, you know, the avocado goes brown, and this broth will eventually separate a little bit. So you just need to kind of get her done and then serve. Some black pepper. And then I'm also, if you happen to, I had a note in the recipe about a finishing salt. Finishing salts come in all shapes and flavors. You know, sometimes they're mixed with seaweed, or they're smoked, or there's black lava salt, which looks gorgeous. A little black kind of crystals on there would look phenomenal. What I've got is some hibiscus salt. So it's just salt with dried hibiscus flowers ground up and mixed in with the fine salt. And hibiscus has a very lemony, citrusy flavor. And when it makes contact with something wet, it kind of bleeds magenta. It's really good to use as a margarita rim. So if you get hold of hibiscus salt, highly recommend. So I'm actually gonna add a little of that to the avocado, because avocado and salt are great friends. If you don't have a finishing salt, you might just want to add a tiny pinch of sea salt. I'm going to put a tiny bit here and there in the soup and see if it bleeds a little bit. But don't overdo it, obviously, because it's salty. You don't want to do too much. So that is pretty much it. That is the avocado gazpacho. And it's kind of hard to tilt, but I hope you can see what I was trying to achieve. You could also add herbs if you want. Some basil, some cilantro, just little tiny leaves of it, you know, just clipped off or snipped. And I can't wait to eat that. It's going to be so delicious.